In this video, I will explain how to create a Facebook business page without a personal account. First, let's clear this up. Facebook requires a personal account to manage any business page. However, you can keep things professional by creating a new personal account just for business purposes. Sign up for a new Facebook account. Go to facebook.com, use a dedicated email address or phone number for your business. Set up your profile, use a professional name and minimal details. Skip adding personal photos or friends. Create your business page. Once your new account is set up, click on Create at the top and select Page. Fill in the details, add your business name, category, and a short description. Now, customize your business page. Add a professional profile picture, a cover photo, and essential business details like your contact information and website. With this approach, you'll have a clean, professional Facebook presence without mixing it with your personal life. Thank you for watching.